Who has the longer stick?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Vlogmas day 4. 4 guys, 4. When you hear me? 4. I know I'm not gonna say 4 Andrew, 4 year going, so wait till I reach a week, man. But for me, for reach a day 4, that's a lot. So basically, my Vlogmas is a little bit of everything that I do. So whether it's a vlog, a challenge, a prank, you know, anything. I want to appreciate it. And my vlog must that back to back. The fact that it's back to back for the 25 days. But when I make me know when I enjoy Vlogmas so far. But when I see me ready and oh, by the way, guys, my earrings from Goddess Ornaments on Instagram, the chain and the bracelet. Go over there and check them out. I'm gonna pull out my ear finally. Guys, I couldn't sleep with that ear there, God no. And the best thing I could have ever do, I never wash it because it was late and I still never get up and wash it. So I tie it up because you can't have the ear, you can't have people that smell the ear like this. I don't know what I'm going to do to it. I need to go back at the hairdresser. So that's a that. For now, let me just go and breeze it out. I'm glad that my ear just tie up all today. But yeah, I got my mommy. Me miss her bad. Plus I want to go and grab 1 and 2 stuff. And if me look like me hungry bad. Me not eat nothing from morning. And now about 11 o'clock and me not eat nothing. Because my mother tell me so she cook curry chicken back and rice. Me not eat curry chicken back for about almost 1 year now. Me not eat chicken back, you know. Almost 1 year now, me not eat chicken back. And me tell her, I say, listen, left some for me, because me not eat nothing. Me and her did a talk, and me see her season up, and I put her on for pot. So by the time I reach, me know say it done. Anyways, let's go, guys. I reach and I eat my curry chicken back and rice. Guys, my mother over there, so I pack up the stuff them when me buy, because me buy. And so then can easier for manage. So I go Bashko and I go Maxi. If you ever say much bag, I come over here with a look at my mommy make you go down to 2 bags. You see? Why? I don't do it without my mother. I don't know. It tastes so good. Oh my god. Mommy not having a peer. So I'm going to go and talk with her. From inner grade 7, I drew this. And I put it on the door, paste it on the door. Mommy, come here. And my mother never tear it off of the door here. Because you can see them paint around it. Mommy, you know so from inner grade 7 I draw this? I know a long time. Mommy, can you love it? Yeah. Guys, I just reached home. And me and Jason are going to do a fiancé versus ex challenge. So, let's get into that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with
Your fiancé. You don't know me how?
from Razorblade TV, Razorblade TV Vlogs, and Razorblade Family. Go over to his YouTube channel and check him out. When I enjoy Vlogmas so far, talk to me, let me know. From when I see the cup them, when I know I say, make a record. Damn, why you doing video again? Me used to vlogging. So by the time when I see the cup them, when I know me I do ex versus fiancé. So let's get into the video.
So you're not explaining to them how the game of play?
Ex versus fiancé. Alright, so basically, Jason is gonna ask me some question and mega choose. Ooh. How the game play?
You see, you don't know. You don't know. The game is played where somebody asks the question and you have a drink from the cup for whoever it goes for. If I ex you go for, or you, the person. That's how you go. Whose family do you like more? Yo, me know I'm a liar, you know.
You know me.
Next. Who has the better stick game? And you know me attack. You know me attack. So you have to think about it? No, hold on. As me say stick you should have joined it. The water should have been you know.
Remember, I'm not sit down and think about it. So now I have to go back down memory lane to say,
So you go back on memory lane.
Babe, but you asked me a question.
Better stick as a ear stick, baby, should have joined in your water. What you think about? What is there to think about?
Who are you?
Outside.
A confident teenager.
Don't do that, man. 2 minutes or what?
Yeah, man, go on, man. Don't worry yourself. Come.
You drink it?
Of course, I drink it.
You're not if you drink it, so just one if you
That's
drink
a good.
Okay. Who you rather be around during an argument? Oh, so you argue around ex. So ex scared. An ex you go with. You rather be around your ex in an argument.
I can explain why.
Well, okay.
Because when Jason chip,
Wow.
my ex, him, I don't know.
You know him
He
used to
just
do?
lackadaisical.
I tell you what him used to. They never care. That's who I am when I don't
You ask me
care.
a question, so me
I say,
answer.
never cares. Me just show you say your ex did that, you know, in a tough enke.
When you ask me a question, I me answer. Him never spaz out for me, so yeah.
Next. Who has the longer stick? Yo. Longer stick. So yeah, longer and a look.
Yeah, because if it is fatter, then...
Nobody never want to do it for this fatter. Nobody never want to do it for this fatter. Me say longer stick.
Oh, shit. But one longer, one fatter.
Yo, me didn't want to know, me didn't need to know that.
Me a process, guys, me a process the question them.
You know, let me think good. You have a sleep out or something like that. Yo, more ambitious. So why when me say stick, you could just drink water without think?
Babe, me a fear remember.
Remember, yeah, so it's stick game.
So you want me to sit down and...
No, hold on. So hold on. The stick game was enough where you could have just no set me up. But
you don't say you want honesty?
Stop it.
Okay.
Who make you come quicker? So me don't understand how you negotiate the stick game.
With ease.
Alright. Who was or is the sharper individual, like have more game when it comes to forget you know? And everything then. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yo, me know you lie to me, you know.
Bro.
Okay. Who do you trust more? Alright. No, you're looking at it. Who would you take back if you left them? Notice my question is spicy.
When me go left them, it all depends on what me I left them for.
Yo, it no matter. Yo, you play a game. Yo, you play a game. Who you da take back regardless what you left them for. Say you have to take back one.
No.
Bro, you play a game with a 2 cup, they no name, no. Babe, choose one.
Babe, but
Stop
it all
being
depends on
difficult.
what I want to do.
Stop being difficult. Babe, if God say you have to choose one, who you da take back knowing say Ray? Why you...
I never take him back, so. I
Well,
guess that you.
what that's supposed to be?
I never take him back, so I guess it would have been you.
Who treats you better? Who mean? I'm not talking about mean as you say. You're mean, baby, you're mean. I don't want to hear that. I'm talking about mean with no stingy. I don't want to give you no money and everything. Yeah. Yo, don't bother with that. Don't bother with that. Not bother with that. Me know you know bag a long talking with him.
Yo.
So what do you have to think?
I am into but what?
Who mean?
You?
Alright, you see? Fiancé allowance just cut in and none. Anyway, who is more annoying?
Annoying?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, you have to understand how life is, you know. If me and you poor, one poorer. If me and you have $1 million, one of we are gonna have little extra.
If never annoying, you not annoying. What me I gonna say? None of them not annoying. Him never annoying. Me not tell a lie upon him.
Who craving? You're glad we drink that water there.
You are, babe.
So why? Yeah,
But look at it.
You
Look
can't
at
just edit that and just put it
babe,
in.
look at the bigger picture. You crave, but are you may choose?
No, you could just edit that out
No,
and put
me not tell no lie.
edit that out and put
Me
say
not
the
tell
boy
no lie.
craving. 2 more to go. Who is nasty? No, so you're gonna grab team cup liquor and yeah, mix it back.
Me try to remember if
Alright. Who makes you cry more? Whoa. Who make you why me make you cry more?
cause me did love him, but me never love him like how me love you. So certain stuff what him did do, it really bother me, but he used to bother me. So me just drop 1 or 2 tears. But you know the amount of emotion and feelings and all of that stuff what you really do hurt me. Like certain stuff. So I just bust a cry.
Alright, bonus question. Alright. That too easy. If him did propose to you and you say yes, and me come after come propose to you, what would you say?
Answer the question.
If him propose to you and you say yes, you are married him, and me come after just come propose like a week after, what would you say?
So that means I made it one that.
No, but no, you have a decision to make.
So you ask me who I choose.
You have a decision to make, babe. Right? But just tell us, you just look on it one time.
But me know, babe, but me not understand the question.
Him there, you there.
Yeah.
And him propose to you, and 1 week after me, Razor Bay come propose to you a week after. What would your decision be?
I feel like we're too logical to the question here. Babe.
Left the boy and tell him, say, yo, you find a man come up. What you do?
But me never go take your ring if me never love him. So
No, but it's
love you.
but you love him. But me come along, you have to kick him, you have to boot him.
So yeah, who? So if me propose already, you gonna be who? For me, let my man come to you.
Yes,
Baby, question and just the question. Me not be harsh. Me not be harsh. I question me.
Let me tell you something. Me a fiancé. So at all times I forget the benefit. If your next man he propose to you first and me come propose to you after, even if you are the first and me come around, me are the man of your dreams.
Then
you're supposed to run
come
him.
in that picture?
Because me are the man of your dreams, God send me. So you're supposed to lift that youth. You're supposed to just tell him, say, you know, and next man come propose, say, God send him for me. Done with you. You know when you tell me something unreasonable like that, and me God send.
Then why would I take the
No,
man
because
ring?
someone want to wait for the right person to come along and just, quick. You're going to tell me say, me God send.
You know, you could have in that position, yeah. So if you want me pre, like, oh, you are pre. So this could have be you.
They don't run no box.
And then this would have be him.
No, but listen, no do that. Me in that position, me never.
Guys, comment below.
I earned it. See there?
Comment below and tell me if Jason.
I'm sure you say you stay bad. Big old fiancé, you know, so she put the eye in her heart. It says volume.
Guys, this is the end of the video. I know it's short, but if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. 50K. Bye guys.